Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to take a couple of minutes and just introducing this is not a DIY, but I just wanted to introduce the glue that I use in all of the crafts that I do. So take for example, if I'm going to do something with wired metal, if I was going to glue it, I will definitely use the hot gun, the hot gun with the hot Gorilla glue sticks. That's definitely. So you can get this at Walmart. You can get those at Michael's. You can get those at Canadian Tire. So basically, this is what I would use. So say for example, if I was to use, if I was going to do a decor with plastic spoons, if that would be the case, I would use these. These I also use at Walmart, and there's these are the small ones. So there's 100 mini size, and this is what I would use for that. Anything plastic on plastic, this is what I would use because it really it sticks to it. Let's say for example, it would be a plastic plate with diamond mesh. With this here, well, this glue is fabulous. It's never going to come off. It's wonderful. And say for example, I would do a cake stand. Well, if that would be if I would top and glue it, I will definitely use the Gorilla Glue. So that's very important, and the E6000. So the E6000, if I would use metallic material, this definitely I would use that because this is absolutely wonderful, and I would use the super glue. So you get those at the Dollar Tree. So anything that has to be metal, wires, this is what I would use. So like I said, if you're going to glue anything else, it would be this. And if you're going to do the plastic spoons, anything plastic plates, diamond mesh, you could just use this. So I just wanted to let you know that. So hopefully see you on my next DIY. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And please leave me your comments. If you have any questions, leave me your comments and I will get back to you. Thanks, and have a great day, and I'll see you on my next DIY.